Introduction to HP Web Services. HP Web Services are available for HP Web Connected printers. These printers can connect directly to the Internet and, with HP Web Services enabled, allow you to print or scan to your printer using HP Smart. To use web services, your printer must be connected to an active Internet connection. After unboxing your HP printer, follow the setup instructions to connect your printer to your active Internet connection. If your printer has already been unboxed but has not been set up on a wireless network, you can connect your printer by going to 123.hp.com and downloading the HP Smart app to set up the wireless connection. HP Smart is a free app from HP that allows you to operate your printer wirelessly from your PC or mobile device, offering a variety of functions and features. With HP Smart, you can take advantage of many features such as printing, copying, scanning, sending mobile faxes, and creating customizable shortcuts to make repeatable tasks easier, all gathered under one home screen. HP Smart also offers the Print Anywhere feature, which allows you, or an authorized user, to send documents to your web-connected printer from anywhere in the world, as long as you have Internet access. For sensitive documents, you can use the Private Pickup setting to release print jobs only to authorized users once they have confirmed their proximity to the printer using Bluetooth. Remote printing is a feature that was recently available through HP ePrint, a printing service which allows you to use your email to send documents to your printer's unique email address. While ePrint is still an available option for web-connected HP printers, it should be noted that it does not include a private pickup option. You can get the HP Smart app during the printer unboxing and setup process or by going to www.hpsmart.com. You can also find the HP Smart app in the App Store if you are setting it up with a mobile device. To start, create an account and HP Smart will search for all web-connected printers on your wireless network. HP Instant Ink is another HP web service offered for many web-connected printers. HP Instant Ink is a paid subscription service available through the HP Smart app that allows you to automatically receive new ink or toner cartridges before you run out. For details on the Instant Ink program and to see if you qualify for the program, visit instantink.hpconnected.com. HP Web Services allow you to get the most out of your printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.